Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Cloze. Cloze measures your vocabulary and grammatical skills and requires you to fill in the blanks of the passage of text. Let's look at an example. Here is a passage of text and words to fill in the blanks. Start by reading the text in parts. Sunday evening was miserable, dancing, library, drawing. The most suitable option is miserable. Sunday evening was miserable. Sarah walked to the dancing, library, drawing. The option that makes sense is library. Sarah walked to the library and decided to begin dancing, drawing. As Sarah is in a library, drawing is the most suitable option. Simple, right? To watch the full video and to have a go at our 11+ practice quizzes, go to ariatuition.com. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.